Your car's air conditioning system isn't just a summer luxury. It's essential for comfort, safety, and long drives. In this video, we'll break down how car AC systems work, when to replace them, and what you should expect from the process. To understand replacement, it helps to know the basics of how your AC works. Key parts include the compressor, condenser, evaporator, expansion valve, and refrigerant. The system circulates refrigerant to absorb heat from cabin air and release it outside. A failure in any of these parts can compromise the entire system. Watch for early signs to avoid bigger issues down the road. Warm air blowing from the vents, even when set to cold. Strange noises like grinding or squealing when you turn on the AC. Musty odors or frequent, repeated repairs signal deeper problems. Sometimes repairs won't cut it and replacement makes more sense. Severe compressor damage can send debris through the entire system. Old systems with outdated refrigerants like R12 must be converted to modern, eco-friendly alternatives. If your car is over 10 years old, parts may be hard to find, and a replacement might be more practical. A full AC replacement is a multi-step process. Technicians inspect the system, test refrigerant levels, and diagnose failures. Old components are removed, the system is flushed, and new parts installed. Finally, refrigerant is added, and the system is tested for leaks and performance. The cost can vary depending on your vehicle and location. Average prices range from $800 to over $2,000 for luxury models. Factors include parts availability, refrigerant type, and labor time. Always get a clear, written estimate and ask about warranty coverage. AC replacement isn't a DIY project for good reason. It requires specialized tools and certified handling of refrigerants. Mistakes can lead to leaks, damage, and legal issues. Professional shops offer warranties and expertise you can trust. A little care extends your new AC system's life. Have it inspected annually to catch small issues early. Run the AC regularly, even in winter, to keep seals lubricated. Replace cabin air filters and clean the condenser for better airflow. A reliable, efficient AC system keeps you cool, safe, and comfortable year-round. If your AC is failing or showing signs of trouble, call Perris Auto Repair Center today at 951-943-2677 for expert diagnostics and dependable service.